Assalamu alaikum. I am Hamnanas from BS6 Evening. I am going to explain my topic application of linear algebra in computer science. In this video, we will see the various application of linear algebra in computer science, how mathematics is used in computer science and why linear algebra is important. Let's start with introduction. When you take a digital photo with your phone or transfer the image in Photoshop, when you play game or watch movie with digital effect, when you do a web search or make a phone call, you are using technologies that build upon linear algebra. Linear algebra in turn built on two basic elements, the matrix and the vector. Now first see the definition of linear algebra. Linear algebra is a branch of mathematics concerning linear equations such as function and their representation through matrix and vector space. Now I will tell you the history of linear algebra. The study of linear algebra first emerged from the introduction of determinants. Determinants were considered by Leibniz in 1693. Subsequently, in 1750, Gabriel Cramer used them for the giving solution of linear system, now called Cramer rule. Later, Gauss further developed the theory of solving linear system by Gauss elimination. Linear algebra first appeared in American graduate textbook in 1940s and undergraduate in 1950s. What is linear? Why linear algebra is important? Linear algebra is a vital in multiple areas of computer science because linear equations are too easy to solve. It converts large number of problems to matrix and thus we solve the matrix. Here we have the relationship between mathematics and computer science. Maths used in computer science including graph, recursive formulas, counting, logic, probability, matrix in binary system. Binary means there are two possible values 0 and 1. All data in computer system consist of binary information. Every computer has its own translator. Computer software translate between binary information and the information you actually work with on computers such as text, photos, sound and videos. Whether working in computer science, programming, system analysis, and the other areas of field, computer science career required to solid understanding of mathematics. Because without math, it would be called computer faith, not computer science. Applications of linear algebra in computer science. Different applications of linear algebra such as image processing, computer graphics, algorithm design, web search, computer games, programming and coding, optimization, machine learning and many other things. Image processing. One of the application of linear algebra in computer science is image processing. This is because a digital image made up the pixel can be represented using matrices. Example, a matrix for red, a matrix for green, another matrix for blue. Most common color model in computer science is RBG model. RBG stands for red, blue and green. Computer typically display in three colors red, blue and green. When combine these three colors, make the full color image like this. And now computer graphics. In computer graphics, every element is represented by matrix. All the image can be represented in matrix format. Graphics can be described as a transformation. You take a vector and apply number of matrix to get a new vector. Vector is a fundamental unit of graphics. Algorithm and design. The area has its own base as mathematics. Algorithm can be used anywhere in every field to solve the most complex problem, and so you will see the use of different areas of mathematics starting from basic algebra of calculus. Numerical linear algebra is a study how matrix operation can be used to create computer algorithms. Website. Now information is at hand. Just open your browser, type some word about what you want to know, and thousands of pages will arise to satisfy your information need. It is not mystery that way to search engine work the make magic. It's just mathematics. Behind their complex algorithm is hidden the linear algebra and the other mathematical theories. Computer games. Linear algebra is a study of vector, 3D graphics, rotations, placing cameras, inserting division, and 3D effects. Program can be shaded using linear algebra. Programming languages. A mathematician sometimes require some programming language. Every mathematical software are based on programming language that is used to tell the program what you want to do. Many mathematical programs are too hard to solve symbolically, but often you can find numerical solution with arbitrary precision. Now, different programming languages. Programming is basically about logics. Math is the backbone of all logic. Programming is not only provide motivational for math, it also provide the mental skill need to think mathematically. What is program? Program is an algorithm or so mathematical equations and procedures. Mathematics help in programming. Programming is a process of executing the logics and codes to simplify the function of specific computational operator. Different programming languages used for mathematics are as follow: C language, C++, MATLAB, Maple, Mathematica, Java, Fortran, and Python. The general purpose of mathematical language is tool for mathematics. This language used to solving linear system and system of linear equations, system of differential equation, and system of polynomial. These language are easy to learn and provide many functions. Conclusion: there are so many applications of linear algebra in computer science. The heartbeat of computer science is linear algebra, especially in the generation of formation of computer coding scheme. The mathematics is a universal language between human and computer. Thank you.